Namaste. Your observational speaker Pooja Gupta welcomes you all on your favorite channel Observational Facts with new update. What is minimum to maximum earning from social media platforms? Before understanding this, let's understand the terms tools to generate the money. From where do you exactly generate the money? You generate money from four sources: brand endorsement, product selling, skills, affiliate marketing. What is brand endorsement? Brand endorsement means influencing the people, telling the people about the brand quality, brand productivity, brand popularity. You advertise a brand, that's called brand endorsement. Product selling, you simply choose a product and tell people to buy that, it's called the product selling. Third is skills, you organize an event or seminar, or you be the part of any other event or seminar, so you generate money from there as well for your talent, for your skills, for your knowledge, for your presence, for your words. This is called the skills earning. Now fourth is affiliate marketing, you simply share the link to your description and the people go to link, buy that, so you get the money from there as well. It is called the earning sources and earning tools you generate the money. Now what are the condition to have? Condition to have the earning is you need to be popular, you need to have followers, you need to have viewers, you need to have subscribers, likes, because this will help the companies, industries, entrepreneurs to understand, okay, you have also popularity, you have so many followers, so definitely you are beneficial for that company, for that brand, for that advertising. You understand similarly that nobody will hire me to advertise their product because I am a normal person, I don't have so many followers, so they will hire a great personality who is having so many followers, so many viewers, because they get earning from that. How does company earn? Company earns from their product sold, public purchase the product, so they earn money from there. And how the advertiser get the amount? They get the amount of 20 to 25%, 30% according to 5 terms. The 5 terms are company, product, brand, amount means price of product, and the 5th is product sold. So these are the 5 terms where the advertiser gets the amount, means YouTuber or TikToker who are doing the plays, who are doing their videos, so they generate the money from there. And how people are get benefited with this? People get benefited with this because they are purchasing, they have completed their desires and needs, and when the people complete their wishes, so definitely their money goes to market, and market generates, market just goes up. It's called the flow of money, flow of market just running in the good trend. So it's called earning chain, earning amount, earning way where people earn the money. So this is called the sources and the. Let's talk about ads. Ads are 6 types on YouTube, and these 6 types of ads will decide what is earning you are having. Secondly, country. Which country is advertising the product? Is this company of this India only, or the company of outsider company like America, Japan, China, Indonesia? These company outsider companies will give you 6 to 7 times more about the amount of advertising. So it depends on the country and the types of ads. There are 6 types of ads basically: display ads, second is overlay ads, third is escapable ads, fourth is non-escapable ads, fifth is bumper ads, and sixth is sponsored cards. These are types of ads, and they have all different amount of earning. So this is generated from YouTube. And TikTok, obviously TikTok has also minimum amount of 5,000 to maximum 1 lakh, more above than that, depends upon the company, brand, product, and the types of price of product. This is depend on that. If I talk about Instagram also, there is also same condition. Other Quora has also same condition. So these were the social media platforms to generate the amount. Let's talk about the websites, Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork earning depends on you. How much are you able to do the freelancing work? How many hours you are able to work? So this depends on you, how much work you take and how much time you take to complete that. How long time do you invest in freelancing work? It depends on just only you and the client. By the way, minimum amount of earning from Upwork and Fiverr is $8 to maximum it goes very up according to your skills, according to your proficiency, ability, efficiency. So that depends on that. Now online earning of games, obviously online earning of games, you must have listened ads also of 60,000 to 1 lakh or one person has got just by playing the MPL and also Rummy Circle. So there are so many types of games and so many earnings. It just depends on you and also the type of that particular thing. I hope this was a very helpful video to you. These were the part 1 to 3rd about social media, about their popularity, about their earning. So in the next video, I will come soon with new update. This topic finishes here. For the time, bye bye. Have a nice time. For upcoming videos, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.